in Recruit. Now, after signing up and getting into your course, you might have logged out, or you might have come out of your course and ended up don't even know how to get back into your course. Well, this video is to show you how to exactly get right back to where you were. Instead of signing up all over again, there's a very simple process to continue your course. So you go to Chrome and you enter the web address mycadonline.com. That's it. One word, mycadonline.com. MICADONLINE.com. And then you go. You're going to land on the homepage of our Academy website. And you simply press login. Right here, you're going to enter your username and password. And then sign in. Simply wait, and the system is going to load everything from start to finish, bring you right back to the course. Then you can continue your course. All right, we're ready. Scroll down, see the continue course button, and we click continue course. And again, so we click the continue course button twice. Notice that I am at quiz 6, unit 6 out of 67, and this is a quiz. Note that I did not start all over and I did not go through the checkout process. This is how easy it is to get back to your course. Thank you.